guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a little bit different. It's a hair video. So this is I'm wearing Beauty Forever hair with the lace. I have a 5x5 closure. The 5x5 closure is not from Beauty Forever. It is from like a vendor that I just wanted to try out. But the Beauty Forever hair, I've had this hair for 18 months, guys. 18 months, y'all. Literally, I've had this hair for 18 months and I've been wearing it for 18 months. I've had like maybe like a couple weeks breaks, like where I get like braids and stuff like that. But I've been wearing this wig, not the wig, but this, I've been using this hair on and off for 18 months. I kid y'all not, this hair is very, very good. So that's this video is about. This video is about me revamping the hair. I'm not gonna lie, like the before the hair, it wasn't bad, but like I had to revamp it. So what I did was I got a new closure and I dyed it jet black, and then I also did the silicone mix and it came out beautiful. I love it so much. And yes, y'all, this hair is really good. I also like cut it because when I first bought it, it was like 24 inches. So I've definitely cut it since then. I tried to like put layers in it, but you know, it's not so much layerish. But yeah, y'all, so I hope you enjoy this video. Maybe you guys can go get y'all some of this hair too. And this video is not sponsored or anything like that. I just really been wearing this hair for 18 months, and if you know how to it's really not that hard to take care of hair, y'all. If y'all know how to take care of hair, then this hair is like good for you. It will really last you. Like the key to what like made this, I guess, when I revamped it, I honestly feel like dyeing hair. I don't know, something about dyeing your hair. I don't want to say all dyed. For me though, whenever I dye my weaves or like my wigs jet black, they just, I don't know, it's a different type of life. Like it's like a different type of life that comes to them. So yes, y'all, this is my Beauty Forever hair that I've been wearing for 18 months. And if you like it, go ahead and get it for y'all. Go ahead and get it because it's really good. I always tell my friends, I'm like, yeah, y'all, this is the hair that I've had since Miami 2020, before the pandemic. So yeah.
She's a fight, ride tight like mine, like Yokohama. She thinking like a banana, so she wanna get me the other kind of She say I'm a stupid man. She say that she don't need a man. Say why I'm making it like that. We can't just why we're being friends. Girl, I know you want it. You know I want it. Girl, I know you want it. You know I want it. Shawty too fly. That's all I know. She don't sing songs, but if I go strong, she gon' hit this high note. Know she working with that Honda. She wanna get me the other kind of. Know she working with that Honda. She wanna get me the other kind of. Know she working with that Honda. She wanna get me the other kind of.
I just want to say thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned how to revamp your wig and get it like all situated, y'all, because in honesty, if like some of these is AliExpress, Beauty Forever is AliExpress, but like if you know how to take care of hair, you can really make like any hair last, unless the hair is just really bad, unless like I don't know where you got the hair removed, unless like the hair is extremely bad, you can't revamp it, then it's not gonna last. But honestly, you could revamp any like type of wig that you have, as long as like the hair is human hair, because like I said, I've had this hair for 18 months and it's about to go, it's gonna be going on 2 years, and it's still like just flowy. And I also love that I feel like it's also like a natural look. I've never tried Beauty Forever's like closure or anything like that, but I might try it. I don't know, I might try their closure just to see like if their closure is as good as their bundles, because bundles that last you, they're keepers. You need to find that. I haven't had to buy a wig in 18 months, so that's just saving a lot of money, and it's just like a natural length. But anyway, I just want to say thank y'all for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see y'all next time. Bye.